Today, we're taking a closer look at the Padarsey replacement internal right and left speakers for the MacBook Pro 13-inch A1278. These speakers are brand new, with a 100% testing guarantee before shipping out. Compatible with early 2011, late 2011, and mid-2012 models, they offer a high-quality replacement for your faulty, cracked, or broken internal speakers. The product arrives in top-notch condition, and all images provided are an accurate representation of what you can expect. The universal repair tool mentioned, with the ASIN B07S9 YFQJH, is also available for those who need it for various devices. In terms of installation, it's a straightforward process, making it accessible for users looking to replace their speakers without professional help. The video title might include the product name at the start for clarity and searchability. Overall, if you're in need of reliable replacement speakers for your MacBook Pro 13-inch A1278, the Padarsey option is worth considering. Stay tuned for the installation walkthrough and detailed insights into the product's performance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.